What if I told you that something as simple, sweet, and ordinary as an orange could help lower your blood pressure in just 7 days? Yes, you heard that right. No expensive medications, no strange herbs, no painful treatments. Just a fruit that's likely already sitting in your kitchen. The truth is, millions of people around the world are silently struggling with high blood pressure, also known as the silent killer. It creeps in slowly, damages your arteries, affects your heart, and before you know it, you're on lifelong pills with side effects that can sometimes be worse than the disease itself. But what if you had the power to fight back, naturally, using just food? Oranges might look innocent, but they're a powerhouse when it comes to managing your blood pressure. This bright, tangy fruit does more than just refresh your taste buds. It acts like a natural shield against hypertension, helping your heart pump easier, keeping your arteries happy, and supporting your entire cardiovascular system. And the most surprising part, you don't need to eat a mountain of them or juice buckets every day. Just 1 or 2 oranges daily can make a noticeable difference. And studies suggest that the impact can start within a week. Yes, real results in just 7 days. Now, let's talk about the first major benefit. Oranges help your body flush out excess salt. Why is this important? Because sodium, the salt hidden in nearly every processed food, is one of the biggest contributors to high blood pressure. It holds on to water in your body, which increases your blood volume and puts more strain on your heart. But oranges help rebalance this problem. They support your body's ability to get rid of that excess salt gently and naturally, reducing water retention and bringing your pressure down without the crash that medications often bring. But the magic of oranges doesn't stop there. They are one of the best fruits for keeping your blood vessels soft and flexible. Imagine your blood vessels, like garden hoses. If they're stiff and clogged, pressure builds. But if they're smooth, flexible, and clean, blood flows easily, and your pressure stays normal. Eating oranges regularly helps maintain that natural flexibility, so your heart doesn't have to fight so hard to push blood through your system. Another reason oranges work so well, they help reduce stress, and not just mentally, but physically. High blood pressure is often triggered by inflammation inside your body. Think of it like invisible fire that's constantly burning in your arteries, making them swell and stiffen. But oranges, with their powerful mix of nutrients, act like water on that fire. They calm the internal storm, cool down the inflammation, and help your blood vessels relax. And when your blood vessels relax, your pressure drops naturally. And here is something many people don't realize. Fatigue and dizziness caused by high blood pressure often disappear when you start eating oranges consistently. Many people report feeling more energized, sleeping better, and even noticing improvements in their memory and focus. Why? Because better blood flow means your brain and body are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to function at full power. That's the kind of health upgrade no pill can match. And it all starts with a simple piece of fruit. One of the best things about oranges is that they fit into every lifestyle. Whether you're busy, working, managing a family, or constantly on the go, oranges are convenient and easy to add into your routine. You don't need to cook them, prepare fancy meals, or blend smoothies. Just peel, eat, and enjoy. And their natural sweetness makes them a perfect replacement for sugary snacks, which often worsen blood pressure problems. In fact, swapping your afternoon biscuit or sugary tea for an orange can actually helps stabilize your blood pressure over time. Little changes like this add up fast, especially when they taste this good. Let's also not forget how oranges help with hydration. High blood pressure often gets worse when you dehydrated, and many people don't even realize they're not drinking enough water. Oranges are loaded with water and act like a mini hydration pack. They support your kidney function, help regulate your heartbeat, and assist in flushing toxins out of your system. That's why people who include water-rich fruits, like oranges, in their daily routine often see improvements in their blood pressure and overall health. Now, you might be wondering, how long before I start noticing a change? Well, the answer is surprising. Many people report seeing improvements in just 1 week. That's 7 days. That's why the thumbnail says it loud and clear. Lowers BP in 7 days. It's not a gimmick. It's real, and it's achievable. Of course, everyone's body is different, and results may vary. But when combined with other simple habits, like reducing salty snacks and walking daily, oranges can give your blood pressure a real push in the right direction. And here's a bonus you probably didn't expect. Oranges help support weight management. Why does that matter? Because excess weight puts more pressure on your heart and blood vessels by helping you feel full longer and reducing cravings. Oranges indirectly support healthy blood pressure through better weight control. It's a chain reaction of positive changes, all starting from one small, juicy fruit. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't walk past the oranges. Grab a few, toss them into your bag, and remind yourself, you're not just buying fruit, you're investing in your heart, your brain, your energy, and your future. Oranges are more than just a breakfast side dish. They're your natural defense against one of the most dangerous health problems of our time. To wrap it all up, let's keep it simple. High blood pressure is scary, but nature has given us powerful tools to fight it. Oranges are delicious, affordable, and widely available. You don't need a doctor's note, a pharmacy, or a prescription. Just your commitment to eat them daily. So go ahead, start today. Make this week the week you give your body the support it's been craving. In just 7 days, you could feel the difference, and your heart will thank you.